Hello, my name is Eddie Bevel. I'm one of the design managers for the micromodule DC regulator products here at Linear Technology. Today I'm going to share with you how a high-power, complex, discrete power regulator circuit can be as simple to design as a linear regulator circuit. But before we get into that, let's look at power topologies in the form of point-of-load regulators into four families. The simplest of them is the linear regulator. It's excellent for low-power solutions. It's very simple, with no inductor, few components, and generally used for low-power applications. For higher power applications, beyond what the linear regulator can perform, the monolithic switch mode regulator is the regulator of choice. Monolithic meaning that the device has both its power transistors and control built into one package or one piece of silicon. It has more components than the linear regulator. It uses an inductor. It has critical layout consideration since it is indeed a switch mode regulator and is used for the medium to high power applications. For even higher power applications, we move up into the right quadrant here with the utilization of switch mode control regulator ICs in the form of discrete circuits as shown. These designs require external MOSFETs, a more complex layout because they are indeed switch mode devices. They use an external inductor and are used for the mid to very high power applications. Another solution in the bottom right quadrant is a new product that has been introduced by Linear Technology that brings the simplicity of the linear regulator and the power handling capability of the complex switch mode control regulator devices. The new option named DC-DC micromodule is shown in the similar type of circuit as a linear regulator, complete complex regulator circuit in a very tiny package, simple to lay out as a linear regulator, very efficient, and equally as good for the low to high power applications. Let's look at a simple design example. In this simple design, we can see a fully integrated package combining all of the complex regulator circuitry and the simplicity of utilized in a linear regulator design. As you can see, this design requires just one input cap, an output capacitor, and a programming resistor, which is very similar to a simple linear regulator solution. Let's explore what's inside a DC-to-DC micromodule system. Micromodules are DC-DC systems in a package, protected as any other regular integrated circuit molded over. Inside the package, Linear Technology has its own power control integrated circuit technology along with our own power MOSFET technology. Included in this package is a shielded inductor, some input and output capacitors, and a variety of resistors and capacitors to set up the operation of the power control, just like a complex discrete power design, but fully integrated into a very small package like an integrated circuit. Let's compare a discrete design to a micromodule design. As you can see, the discrete design has control IC, all of its setup components for setting up the operation of the circuit, along with a power MOSFET, Schottky diode, inductor, and input and output capacitors to achieve a 12 amp DC-to-DC regulator. The DC-DC micromodule is a fully contained package, integrated circuit with a land grid array. The device is very simple to use, and as you can see in the schematic below, all that is required is a component, input and output capacitor, and a programming resistor, indeed showing the simplicity of this regulator in comparison to a linear regulator solution. Let's look at some PC board layout examples. As shown at the top of the diagram, you can see the ease of use of the micromodule. All that is necessary is following the recommended datasheet layout example and place on the PC board. The bottom of the diagram shows simplicity of use. You can see the DC micromodule very simply placed on a board in comparison to more complex layout of discrete solutions. These devices can be copied and pasted to other locations on the PC board by following the same example layout. And as shown on this board here, you can see how the micromodule is fitting into a very tight solution. All of these solutions that the micromodules is designed into can be utilized using reference material from our website for soldering and also reflowing the part on a board. Another attribute of our micromodule technology is the high reliability. All micromodule products undergo Linear Technology's stringent quality and reliability tests which go beyond standard testing. We even perform solder shock, thermal shock, and overall have had no failures in the temp cycle, burn-in, and power cycle of these devices. As you can see here, here's a reliability data report that can easily be downloaded from our website from the micromodule page. Linear Technology has a wide family of products in the micromodule technology. As you can see in the diagram, we have high power up to 28 volts in and out to 12 amp capability. We have low to mid power up to 36 volts in from a few hundred milliamps out to a few amps. We have mid power and low voltage devices in the 3, 3, and 5 volt input in the 4 to 8 amp ranges. We have a unique part that is a buck boost part that allows you to step up or step down voltages seamlessly in an application. And we also have multiple output devices. As you can see in this overall diagram, there are several different package sizes to accommodate many different applications. Several of the devices come in a 15 millimeter by 15 millimeter by 2.8 millimeter. Others come in the 9 by 11 millimeter by 2.8 tall. We have devices in 15 by 9 and devices in 6 by 11 millimeters. All of these different packages can be utilized for many different applications. In summary, the Linear Technology products are lightweight and compact. They come in very low profile packages with high reliability and precision regulation. They have very low thermal impedance, very simple to lay out, and on our website, free design software is available for simulation and characterization of the product. For more information on Linear Technology micromodule products, you can visit our website at www.linear.com for application notes, data sheets, and guidelines for solderability and reliability data. Thank you.